Public transport drivers are finding much-needed relief with the implementation of a big-time oil price rollback today, hoping for the prices of petroleum products to normalize soon following the peace deal between U.S. and Iran. J.M. Thompson has the details in this report.
Jeepney driver Romy Pascual is very thankful for today's big-time rollback. In his 3 decades of driving, the height of the Middle East crisis severely affected his livelihood. But because of the continuous rollbacks in recent weeks, he feels somewhat relieved.
Malaking tulong para sa aming mga jeepney driver yan. Kahit papano, masusustinahan na namin yung aming mga pangangailangan sa pang-araw-araw. Kung halimbawang kinikita namin 500 lang daily, siguro ngayon makakamaingit 1,000 na.
As for Jason, he says the significant drop in diesel prices is also a huge help in his daily trips. Aside from this, the continuous 10 peso discount per liter deducted from his fuel costs is also a big help to him.
Pagka bababa na po yung gas, medyo may kinikita na po konti. Hindi kagaya dati na halos wala kaming maiuwi. Pagka tuloy-tuloy na po yung ganitong pagbaba ng petrolyo, maganda na po. May maiuwi na din po sa pamilya.
The price of gasoline dropped by almost 6 pesos per liter, while diesel dropped by up to 11 pesos per liter. Meanwhile, following the peace deal between Iran and the United States, PUV drivers feel hopeful that petroleum product prices will eventually return to normal. Related to this, although the Strait of Hormuz has been closed again, the Department of Energy or DOE assures that this should not affect price movements this week.
Kahit po may problema po na ni-report about Strait of Hormuz, the adjustments today will reflect to last week's market. So, kung may mangyari man today o bukas, hindi po dapat umiiba ang presyo.
The Secretary further emphasized that from this Tuesday until Monday next week, no new adjustment in domestic oil prices can be made.
Kaya pag may nakita po kayong nagpapalit at sasabihin dahil po sa report na mukhang magsasara na naman, hindi po tama yan. Kailangan po yung adjustments, steady lang tayo for 1 week, which is Tuesday up to Monday next week.
Meanwhile, the DOE assures that the country's oil supply is sufficient. Based on the agency's latest inventory, petroleum products will last for 43 days as of June 18, 2026. The 10 peso discount per liter for PUV drivers also continues to roll out, where more than 2,000 gas stations are now participating in implementing the discounts, and the total fuel subsidy distributed to nearly 70,000 PUV drivers has reached 142.9 million pesos. J.M. Thompson for The Nation.